Welcome slide 4. Here we have done our remaining activities. So in our previous slide we can see that how we can add our buttons, and now we can see that how we can add our writing options. So we just click on the text box, and this is basically we keep it as home button. So here we just added our text box and we copy paste our previous. So we copy it and paste here. And here we added our picture. This is extra. So this is okay, and because this is we added our second step as a food blocks, and we keep our third number slide as a food block slide. So we added related topics here. So again, text box, just copy paste. Where is my food box? Here. So I just copy. See. So I added here my related links and the slides, and we keep our fourth number slide as art block. So here I added my text block. So this is how we basically our pictures, images, and our tag blocks and art blocks and food blocks. So I just categorize it, and whatever you want to customize it, you keep it as your own categorized items here. So I added this here. So this is basically my options. In our next 5 number slide, we can see how we can add and transform these buttons as our website buttons. So till then, I hope you are doing well. Thank you.